Hello, guys. Hello, learners. This is day 19, and this is my actually second day. I'm reading a book called Mossad. It's Israeli. It depends on Israeli intelligence agency, Mossad. So actually, I had read chapter one, but what I feel. So this time, I try something different while I am reading the book. So first, let's go to the book. I'm showing the book. Then I go to. So this is the chapter. Chapter one, King of Shadows. So what I am doing. Like I have read. You can see the pages turned. So I read almost 2 to 3 pages yesterday, but I feel I missed the contact. So now onwards, what I will do, I will just read maybe one paragraph. Okay, one paragraph with proper सब कुछ like proper meaning. Suppose here is a there is a name of Mediterra. So I will go to Google and search this place and find the location so I can visualize properly. So I try to read this book maybe one or two chapter. I don't know how much I can do this exercise. So I will try to read things in a very very proper manner, like understand each and every word, each and every line, each and every paragraph. Then I will go to next para. Okay, so this is my task, and I am going to start my day with reading. So and definitely if I get a time, if I get a सी मेरी आदत एक ये भी है कि मैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोल देता हूँ. So if I get a time, so I will make a video to summarize the story for you. Okay, so now I'm start the reading in details. Like I will take help of Google or online, so I can properly understand the meaning. All right, bye bye.